For anyone looking to slim down their rig, one of the best mini PC for gaming is perfect for packing lots of power in a very small space. You'd be surprised at the speed, sound, and graphics that smaller PCs can put out, at a fraction of the size of the typical PC gaming tower. Some may even qualify as being portable, with a few extra accessories and a couple of compromises. The best mini PCs and NUCs come in all shapes and sizes. Whatever your needs, there's a compact computer out there to suit you. A mini PC is an excellent choice for your school-age kids, since you'll be able to pack an entire PC to work on into something that will fit in even the tightest of spaces. And it's great if you need to add a PC covertly somewhere like the kitchen or living room. So, here's what we know about the best desktop mini PC in 2023. If you need any product in this video, the links of the products are given below in description. Number 3. Beelink SER3 Mini PC. Beelink SER3 Mini PC comes with AMD Ryzen 7 3750H 2.3 to 4 GHz 4C ATL 1384 KB L2 2 MB L3 4 MB, supports 4M cache, a fast and smooth and power-saving mini PC. It can satisfy your diverse scenarios use such as entertainment, office, education, industry, etc. This SER3 built-in 16GB DDR4 RAM, 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD. Equipped with 2 memory slots, the 16GB RAM DDR4, max 2400 MHz, can be expanded up to 32GB RAM of single card slot and up to 64GB RAM of dual card slot, and you can expand the storage with M.2 NVMe 2280 SSD, 1900 MB, upgrade to 2TB, no included, and via 2.5-inch SATA HDD up to 2T, no included, offers an excellent performance and smooth operation. The mini desktop computer, equipped with dual HDMI 4K at 60 Hz, makes it easy to connect 2 monitors at the same time, and you can expand working pack, mirror content, or expand a single across multiple monitors. HD resolution 4K, perfect presentation of details, which can be used as a media center to enjoy TV shows. Number 2. Shui Hero Box Mini PC. Shui Hero Box Windows Mini PC features Intel Celeron N5100 processor, 4 cores and 4 threads, turbo frequency 2.7 GHz, which offers more powerful performance, brings you more smooth and wonderful user experience, and offers you smooth operation and stable multitasking experience. Built-in 8GB LPDDR4X, 256GB SSD, supports 512GB microSD extension, 512GB TF card, 2TB M.2 2280 SSD, 2TB 2.5-inch SATA HDD. Multitask switching speed is extremely fast and no need to wait for application loading, especially in Microsoft Office software. Hero Box Mini Gaming PC supports 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, which could be connected with your multimedia devices, mouse, acoustics or headset. With RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, providing you a stable connection at higher speed. Fanless design, no noise, no dust, ensure you a quiet and comfortable experience. Number 1. Mealy Quieter 2Q. Mealy Quieter 2Q is the newly released mini PC of Mealy manufacturer, featured ultra-thin, pocket-size, fanless design, working and mute 0 decibels noise, running in stable connection with Gigabit Ethernet 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth 4.2. It comes with a VESA mount, enabled to mount the mini PC on the back of a monitor or TV. The Suggest TV monitor size better between 12 to 32 inch, larger size may not fit this mount. Mealy Quieter 2Q mini computer adopts Celeron J4125 quad-core processor. It is Windows 11 upgradable, supports TMP 2.0, it can be upgraded to Windows 11, and in next year, all the mini PC with J4125 processor will be pre-installed with Windows 11. The accurate time depends on when Microsoft releases the new version for average users. This Pocket PC has pre-installed Windows 11 Pro 64-bit, it also supports Linux, and Ubuntu systems. This mini PC cube offers reliable BIOS function, Wake on LAN, PXE, BIOS one-step reset, auto power on, RDC wake up.